MoneyLion users usually run into the same problem. The membership fee starts feeling unnecessary once you only use the basic checking, cash advance, or budgeting features. By the end, you'll know which apps give similar features to MoneyLion, but without a required monthly membership, and which ones are better depending on whether you want cash advances, banking, or budgeting tools. First group. Apps that feel closest to MoneyLion's cash advance and paycheck access features. Dave is the closest comparison because it offers small cash advances and spending tools without requiring a traditional subscription structure for basic use. Bridget also focuses on cash advances, but it's built around financial protection tools like avoiding overdrafts and tracking upcoming bills. Empower works in a similar space, giving users early access to money and spending insights inside one app instead of separate services. Next group. Apps that replace MoneyLion's banking side without monthly fees. Chime offers fee-free checking-style banking with early direct deposit features and simple mobile controls. Varo Bank is another fully digital banking option that removes monthly fees and keeps everything inside one app without requiring upgrades. Sophie combines banking and additional financial tools like savings and credit features, all without charging a standard monthly membership fee. Finally, there are apps that lean more toward budgeting and financial control rather than cash advances. Albert focuses on budgeting guidance and automated saving tools, along with optional financial help features depending on what you activate. Current also fits here, with spending insights and account controls designed to help you manage money without needing a paid tier just to use basic features. The main difference between these apps is what you're trying to replace from MoneyLion. If you mainly use cash advances, Dave, Bridget, and Empower are the closest matches. If you want a full banking replacement, Chime, Varo, and Sophie make more sense. If you're mostly using MoneyLion for budgeting, Albert and Current cover that side more directly. Most people end up switching because they realize they're paying for a bundle of features they don't fully use. Picking a single-purpose app usually gives the same benefit without the monthly cost. If you're switching, focus on the feature you actually rely on most instead of trying to replace everything at once. That's where most people save the most money and avoid unnecessary fees. Like and subscribe for more simple breakdowns of money apps and banking alternatives that actually make sense in real use.